Good morning, class 9 students. How are you all? Hope you all good at your home. So, welcome to the second video of your chapter number 2, Elementary Concepts of Object and Classes. So, in the last video, we have discussed introduction or some detailed points of objects. Now, in this video, we will start from the class. So, let's start. Class is a collection of object. Class is a blueprint or a template for its object. Class क्या है? Class is a collection or a group of objects. Class is a blueprint or a template for its object. अगर आपको objects create करने हैं तो class serves as a blueprint or a template. It's like a map to create objects. So in the class we have data and functions. Data are called characteristics and functions are called behavior. You can also call data को आप data भी बोल सकते हो, variables भी, instance variables भी and data members भी, and functions you can call them a methods and member function. तो आपको you have to remember that names also because कहीं कहीं point पे कभी method use करते हैं. Sometimes in the book they have written member function, they have written variables. So you must have your in mind कि ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है. Clear? So there is an example. ध्यान से देखिए. So fruit is a class. Fruit is a class. So what is, and we have already told us a class has a data and function. Class has a characteristics and behavior. So fruits के क्या हो सकते हैं? We have a color, taste and shape. Every fruit is a class. Every fruit has a color, every fruit has a taste, every fruit has a shape. अब उनके functions क्या हैं? Fruits are used for making juice. Fruits are used for festive occasions. Festival में काम आते हैं. Used for your breakfast or similar occasions like your breakfast, your lunch और dinner में भी हम लोग लेते हैं. In your snacks also. So next question is a very important question. So हम बहुत बार बोल चुके हैं that we have to create an object of a class. Then what is the method to create it? So here we have how to create object of a class. Object is also called instance of the class. One more name of an object is it is also called as a instance of a class. Then we have a syntax. अब syntax है आपके पास. सबसे पहले आपका class का name, object name, new and class name. So we will discuss all these one by one. Class name, object name, new and class name. After this, so let us take one example, apple of class fruit. Apple is an object, fruit is a class. So fruit is a class, apple is a object name, new and class name. Clear? So let us fruit, apple, new, fruits. Fruits, apple, new, fruits. Clear? So here you have create one object in the memory. आपने कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कर दिया है whose name is apple. Of which class? Of fruit class. Clear? So how to so next is steps to create object of a class. So here first is declaration. It uses class as a data type along with an object. So in this part we have this much is declaration. So this class name and object name is your declaration. So let us read one more time. It uses class as a data type along with an object, and here we have a class as a data type along with an object. Clear? So next is So next is instantiation, that means creating object. Apple, banana, mango, grapes. So we have number of objects in the fruit class. New. अब new क्या है? New सबसे पहले it is a keyword. It's a special word whose meaning is already defined to the Java compiler. Clear? It is used to allocate space in the memory for storage of an object. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं इसको skip कर दूँ तो इसको मेमोरी में स्पेस नहीं मिलेगी एप्पल ऑब्जेक्ट को. सो न्यू इज यूज टू गेट मेमोरी. आपको मेमोरी देने में हेल्प करता है, मेमोरी एलोकेट करता है आपके ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए. कहाँ पे? कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में, कंप्यूटर की स्टोरेज में. सो हियर इट इज. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ इंटर रिलेशन बिटवीन. One more important is interrelation between class and object. So here we have one more example of a car. Car is a real world object. Car is a class, sorry. Car is a class. Clear? Car, we have a object nano car, Honda, Maruti और भी बहुत सारी cars होती हैं. So अब we have a car and object, we have a number of cars in the class car. So क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? class car. अच्छा, tell me one thing. Class has two things. Number one, characteristics. Number two, behavior. So cars model and color. क्या है इसके? कार के क्या हैं? characteristics, journey and demo are the behavior. Clear? So here is a specification of your class. This is the opening brace and this is the closing brace. Clear? So here is the scope of the class. Class has two characteristics and two behaviors. So now question is, next part is how can we create? So we have three objects of a car class, Nano, Honda, Maruti. So how we can create a memory for them? So class name car, nano is the object name, new operator or a new keyword, then your class name. So did you find any error in this? Error है एक. Yes, here Honda नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा your class name. Class name is your car. So in the place of Honda we have a car. So after this we have a new operator definition. New operator used to give space in the dynamic memory for the storage of data and function belonging to an object. क्या क्या करता है? New operator used to give space in the dynamic memory. आपकी जो memory होती है कंप्यूटर की, that is called a dynamic memory. Why? For the storage of data and function of an object. Clear? So next one more example is there is a flower class. Flower is a class. Rose, lily and lotus are the three objects. So different characteristics. सबसे पहले बात करेंगे करेक्टरिस्टिक. रोज, लिली, लॉटस. सो कलर एंड स्मेल आर द characteristics which is both, which is common for all the three objects. Clear? So rose color red, smell, yes it has the smell. Lily color yellow, smell, yes. But lotus has a color pink but smell, no, it has a no smell. So common behavior, that is means your functions is decoration. कहाँ कहाँ काम आता है? In the decoration for making garlands and for the worship. Clear? So after this we have software class and object. Software object. So now till now we have discussed and we have created object of a car and flower, which is non-living thing, or flower is a living thing. But let us have one more example of a employee class. Employee is a software object because it is living thing and real world object also. So class employee, name, department, salary. So these are the characteristics. Accept data, display data are the behaviors. Clear? So suppose we have 3 employees or 3 objects in a company: staff 1, staff 2, staff 3. So this is the memory allocation. This is the memory allocation. Employee, object, class name, object name, new, class name, class name, object name, new, class name. Clear? So if we talk about the staff members, so name, department, salary, these 3 are the common है सब में, and these are called the data भी बोल सकते हैं. This is also called a characteristic. Clear? And member methods are accept data and display data. One more thing, what is the symbol that indicates that this is the function? This braces. अगर आपको ये कहीं भी आप देखें इस चीज़ को, that means that thing is a function. member function, member method, method कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. So accept data, display data. Clear? So staff 1 dot accept data. Staff 1 किसको असेस कर रहा है, किस फंक्शन को? accept data. accept data has 3 फंक्शन के अंदर, accept data फंक्शन के अंदर 3 डेटा थे, 3 characteristics. what was that? It's name, डिपार्टमेंट, सैलरी. तो जैसे ही हम ये चीज़ करेंगे, स्टाफ 1 कॉल करता है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, उसका डेटा, उसका नेम, उसकी डिपार्टमेंट, उसका सैलरी डिस्प्ले हो जाता है. सेम 2, सेम फॉर 3. एंड डिस्प्ले डेटा को कॉल करो तो ये तीनों क्या हो जाते हैं, शो हो जाते हैं. क्लियर? सो इन द नेक्स्ट one more example is there, class product. So product, it's a quantity, rate and amount are the data or characteristics. Input value, calculate and display are the functions or behavior. So we have 2 objects, TV set and cooler. इनकी ये ऑब्जेक्ट को मेमोरी एलोकेट हुई. Now we have a data members table. So we have created memory for TV set, object 1 TV set, object 2 cooler. So table we have data members and member function. तो TV set के ये data members हैं, characteristics, and sorry I forgot to here amount also, and the same characteristics are for cooler. 2 ऑब्जेक्ट हैं हमारे पास, किस क्लास के, प्रोडक्ट के, टीवी सेट एंड कूलर. तो उनके ये चीज़ कॉमन है, क्वांटिटी, रेट, अमाउंट, क्वांटिटी, रेट, अमाउंट. और मेंबर फंक्शन, इनपुट वैल्यू, कैलकुलेट एंड डिस्प्ले. अब देखो, क्वांटिटी 4, कितने टीवी सेट चाहिए, 4. एक का अमाउंट कितना है, 50,000. 50,000 इंटू 4 2 lakhs. तो लास्ट में बिल कितना बनेगा, 2 lakhs का. इफ़ यू विल बाय टीवी सेट विथ 4 क्वांटिटी. क्लियर? और अगर आप कूलर लेते हो और कूलर आपने लिए 5 एंड ईच वन ऑफ 8,000 रुपीज़, सो 8 5 40,000 बिल बना आपका. क्लियर? अब मेंबर फंक्शन क्या करेगा, सबसे पहले आपसे ये पूछेगा इनपुट वैल्यू, क्वांटिटी कितना चाहिए, फिर कैलकुलेट करेगा सबको और आपको एंड में रिजल्ट क्या कर देगा, डिस्प्ले. क्लियर? हाउ वी कैन डू इट? सो टीवी सेट ऑब्जेक्ट 1 डॉट किसको कॉल किया, किस फंक्शन को, इनपुट वैल्यू. और ये क्या डिस्प्ले कराएगा, इट एक्सेप्ट्स quantity and rate of the TV set. Cooler object 2 dot input value, it accept quantity and rate of TV set. No, it's a mistake here. It accept the quantity rate of cooler. I have done it intentionally. ऑब्जेक्ट कूलर ले रहे हो और यहाँ पे टीवी सेट, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, सो हेयर इज़ अ मिस्टेक है. सो टीवी सेट डॉट कैलकुलेट. अब कैलकुलेट में क्या होगा, अब कैलकुलेट फंक्शन क्या करेगा, इस 4 को 50,000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा. ठीक है, अब कैलकुलेशन होगा सेम, और बाद में आपको क्या रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. और ये डिस्प्ले फंक्शन जब हम टीवी सेट को कॉल कर रहे हैं तो इट विल डिस्प्ले यू द बिल दैट इज 2 लाख रुपीज. क्लियर? सो क्लास, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज lecture. So in the next video we will try to do more questions on this. So till then, take care, bye, and have a good day.